Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to handle missing data by a command called replace. So I'm going to give you the real example so that you can get it easily. So I have a variable called lgrades. Here it is. So drag it here and type tab, hit enter. So you can see that there are 7 categories. However, the problem is that 2 of these categories are kind of not meaningful in terms of our purpose. So, and you will see why the problem with these 2 categories. So here's the original survey question that asks during the past 12 months, how would you describe your grades in your school? So from 1 to 5, they're the real categories, like mostly A, B, C, D, and F. So they're real grades. However, for 6 and 7, you can see that none of these grades, and 7, not sure. So they are not really meaningful categories. Like you cannot really examine the effects of these not sure or none of these grades. So you are really interested in examining if people having better academic performance have some good social and mental health outcomes, for example. So and therefore these 2 categories are not meaningful. So what to do in this case? So we wanna there are a lot of ways we can do about it. So it's not a way of handling missing data, but it's a way of treating them as missing data. You can remove those cases, like not sure 26 people and none of these grades 4 people. So you can remove this data altogether, but then you will lose observations, right? So especially if you have like these people, if you lose this data and your data set or sample is small, then that might affect your sample size and whether the sample size would still be representative of your population or not. This kind of stuff you'll have to experience. So one of the ways this is kind of handled is that treat these 2 categories as missing. So, and you can do that by replace command. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use the replace command in treating these 2 categories as missing data. Okay, so in order to do this, we write a command called replace, and your variable lgrades equals dot. So dot means dot in Stata is basically a sign of missing data. So Stata will treat it as missing data. So replace lgrades equal dot if lgrades is greater than lgrade is greater than 5, and also we tell Stata that and we need to put exclamatory sign, and then missing, and we're conditioning that they're not and if not, like they're missing. So missing, and then the name of the variables lgrade, and then hit enter. Okay, so and let's type tab and this variable, and now see that you have 5 categories. But what happens is you didn't have to remove all those 30 variables that belong to category 6 and 7. So 30 observations basically. So these 30 observations are now there, but if you remove them all together, then you'd lose those 30 observations in all other variables in your statistical or regression model. I hope this makes sense. So this is how you can treat your unusual or unnecessary categories of categorical variable treated as a missing values, and this is how you handle it. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe to my channel.